We got designated driver Tyler.
Yep.
Excuse me, I'm fixing my ankle here.
We're the designated doofus.
My ankle's showing.
What kind of plates you got for that rig, Kenny?
Prevent violence.
Oh yeah, okay.
I think we're encouraging it with this caddy.
Peacekeeper.
For those of you who have followed Tony Banana previously, you'll remember that there was a Crown Vic that had the chop topped off of it. Well, Kenny's back at it again in this episode and was looking for the cheapest car he could find to cut the roof off of. What he ended up with was this 96 Cadillac Seville that we had found through a buddy of Tyler's somewhere up in Wisconsin or northern Illinois, that general cheese curtain area. And so we drove up there with Tyler as the driver, went to take a look at the thing, and it's kind of a shame how nice it was, but it had no catalytic converters, ran and drove, fucked up front brakes, and from that point on, Kenny decided it would become the Chop Top Caddy.
Hey.
Want to hear this baby fire up?
Yeah, this thing needs to get chopped.
Drive's beautiful.
Kenny and I are getting fucking gassed out in here. We didn't realize until like 40 minutes into the drive home we're getting exhausted here. My nose fucking starts bleeding. Kenny's feeling stupid.
You're probably fucked up from there.
Yeah. I'm having Buick flashbacks. Oh my god. After a quick stop in Fox Lake and a little bit of a sandwich run, we were on our way home. Hard. Is it yummy?
Tastes like gas.
And now Kenny's going to show you how to properly chop the top on a 96 Cadillac Seville.
Alright guys, we've been getting a lot of questions, emails, messages about how to cut the roof off of a car. A lot of people are interested in it, so they give the people what they want. Show them how to take care of that. Gonna save the shop. Alright, so the first step is to get rid of any window that isn't gonna roll down all the way or that's gonna get in the way. Like, this is a point of no return now.
Yeah, you fucked the window up. You just have to chop it now.
The more you squint, the safer you are.
We don't turn this Cadillac into a convertible, the shop's gonna go under.
Can't afford to lose profit.
We're gonna slam it, throw it on some bags,
Yeah,
chop the top.
Slam it into a wall. Alright guys, the second step of doing a chop top is maintaining a clean job site to throw away any of the scraps you might have from the roof. Alright, here goes nothing. They don't make them like this anymore. Tony Banana's side clip, how to steal a car radio. Yeah, I've been cutting cars for years.
Yeah, we get non-stop emails. All you guys been
Non-stop
wondering.
emails, guys asking questions.
Got a lot of fan mail in
how-tos,
asking when are you gonna chop the next car?
You know, people are buying their own cars and then they try to chop it. They get stuck halfway through.
Well, it's hard. The people at home don't have a shop
It's
to
not
work
easy
at.
if you haven't done it before. So we're gonna help you guys out. Okay, so step 3, I mean, you could do it any way you want. I like to cut the doors first and then the roof. You could cut the roof first, doesn't matter, personal preference. I'm good, I feel it coming out.
It's in, I think it's in the corner, like the front corner of your
I
eye.
feel it
Yeah.
here.
Yeah, it's right there. I see it.
Alright, hopefully I cry it out. Alright, new shop rules, glasses and gloves.
It's not professional.
Custom wing doors.
Nice.
I saw the video on YouTube. I was just on YouTube 19 minutes ago with you throwing something through the back window.
Really?
I rushed out here, yeah.
Go sell that at the swap meet. Jesus Christ.
It's fighting back.
Cadillac just does not want to be chopped. Imagine getting like this far into it and you're like, man, I made a mistake. I got to put it back together.
It would be kind of funny to weld the roof back on. So someone's gonna get hurt on it. All right, on to the next. You have more beer? I might have to grab one.
Hand crank.
Hand crank. You know, if we put it down all the way, it might never come up again.
Yeah, because you're gonna put the car cover on it when you
Yeah, fuck it.
How'd the window come back up?
Yeah, that was weird. Is this thing spring loaded?
You know, the car show's this week on Thursday.
Yeah.
man's not around?
No.
Everyone's coming to see the chop top.
People are coming from near and far.
I feel like this thing's gonna look like what a kid would draw when they're like, make a convertible.
I already fucked up the I fucked up my chrome.
You always want to be tidy on the job site.
Yeah, you gotta clean up. Hello? Shop in the shop. Yeah. You want to come by? I mean, we're solid. We got like the doors done. We just gotta do the roof now. I'm backing off glass. change this blade.
Think of the thousands of man hours that went into designing and building this thing, and here we are in 2 hours ruining it.
Is he riding it?
So you're gonna like leave some support over here now?
Yeah, like probably there, that line.
Oh, my knees. Fuck me.
I'm getting too old for this chop shop shit. I think it's the door frame that's fucking it up.
Yeah, it's thick. Watching your welder out.
Some dual action.
Bang. Oh, it stinks.
You can close the door and then beat on it. Where's the hammer?
This is still hanging.
Don't lose those. Well, that concludes the how-to video. So now you're ready to cruise in style all summer long. And for the guys in the emails who are asking how the police are going to handle this, as far as I know, no roof, no proof.
Optional mustard holster. What are you gonna do with this